Ima wakwaba, eba wone Opoku nsua twi dwumadie so. I welcome you to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. In this episode, we still continue our lessons on Twi Verbs. And we are considering 4 Twi Verbs. What are they? We have hu, that is to see, hunu, to take notice or to know, hwe, that is to look, and hwehwe, to search. Let's take the first verb and try to understand it and see how we can also use it in a sentence. That is hu. Hu. Hu simply means to see. To see. Yes. Let me give you this example. If you ask me, Opoku, have you seen it? You see here you are using the verb in the perfect tense. Have you? Have you seen it? And so the Twi verb should also be in the perfect tense. And if you want to learn much about Twi tenses, then I'll put the link in the description. Check it and learn more about what Twi tenses. In fact, I've done a thorough lesson on that. Yeah, so let's get back to our business. If you ask me, Opoku, have you seen it? In Twi you will say, Opoku, wahu. Wahu. The wahu that you are seeing consists of what? A pronoun and a verb. And the verb is in what? Perfect tense. So it consists of what? Wo, 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 and that is what? You. And then that is what? Has seen or have seen. Good. So in this case you are saying wahu. Have you seen it? Wahu. Have you seen it? Yeah. So you can say Opoku wahu, meaning Opoku, have you seen it? Have you seen it? So you see here that hu is used to mean what? To see. And if I have seen it, what will I say? I will say, yes, I have seen it. In Twi, I will say, ane. Ane means yes. Ane mahu. Ane mahu. Mahu consists of what? A pronoun and the verb ehu, that is, have seen. As we have learned, like I said, check the description. Me, when me meets a verb in a perfect tense, the me loses the e and then combines with the verb in the perfect tense. And all verbs in the perfect tense are also what? Prefixed with a. So here the main verb is what? To see. But because it is in the perfect tense, it is prefixed with what? A. So we say ehu. So in all, I will say mahu. Mahu. I have seen it. I have seen it. Mahu. Mahu. So that is hu, to see. What about hunu, the second verb? Hunu also means what? To know or to take notice of something. For example, if I want to say, note that he is a child. Note that he is a child. In Twi, I will say, hunu se. Hunu se, that is what? Note that. When you say hunu se, it means you say, note that. Oye abofra. Oye abofra. He is a child or she is a child. Note that he is a child. Hunu se oye abofra. Hunu se oye abofra. And that is what? Note that he is a child or note that she is a child. Hunu se oye abofra. So when we say hunu, it means we are saying note that. Or it could also mean what? Know that. For example, you can make this statement. Hunu nenya ntiasie. hunu nenya ntiaseɛ. That is, know and understand. Know and understand. Hunu nenya ntiaseɛ. Know and understand. So when we say hunu, it could mean to know something or to take notice of something. Hunu. Let's go to the third verb. The third verb is hwɛ. Hwɛ. Hwɛ simply means to look or to watch. To look or to watch. And that is what? Hwɛ. Hwɛ. For example, I can say hwɛ me. Hwɛ me. Hwɛ me. And that is what? Look at me. Look at me. Hwɛ me. Hwɛ me. Look at me. So when you say hwɛ, it means what? Look. Look. This is different from what? See. You can say look at him. In Twi you will say hwɛ no. Hwɛ no. Hwɛ no. The no means what? Him or her. Hwɛ no. In English you will not say look at he. No. You will say look at him or look at her. In Twi, he or she is what? Ono. Ono. But in the object position, you cannot still use ono in the object position. In the object position, ono is what? No. Just like in English, he or she in the object position changes to what? Him or her. The same way happens in here in Twi. Ono in the object position will change to what? No. Yes. So in a statement, look at him or look at her, in Twi we will say hwɛ no. Hwɛ no. Hwɛ no. And no is used to represent both sexes, and that is male or female. It depends on who we are talking about. If you know that the person that we are talking about is a woman, then definitely the no represents what? Her. And if he's a man, then it will be what? Him. That is that. So, hwɛ no. Hwɛ no. Look at him. Another example, I can say hwɛ. Hwɛ. Wahu. Hwɛ. Wahu. Look. Have you seen? Hwɛ. Wahu. For example, I ask you not to leave the book there, because if you leave it there, the children will write in it. And then I went back. You did not listen. You left the book there. And indeed, the children have written in it. So when I come with the book to you, I can say, hwɛ. Hwɛ. Wahu. Look. Have you seen? Hwɛ. Wahu. We have already learned and we use wahu in it. So this time around, we are what? Applying that in connection with hwɛ. So I can say hwɛ. Look. Wahu. Have you seen? Hwɛ. Wahu. Very good. So when we say hwɛ, it means to look or to watch. And to see. To see. So hwɛ, look, wahu. Have you seen? Very good. Let's go to the fourth and the last verb, and that is what? Hwehwɛ. Hwehwɛ. Hwehwɛ means to search. Assuming I'm trying to find my yellow pen and I cannot find it, I can call my eldest daughter and tell her, please, hwehwɛ mommy. Hwehwɛ mommy. Search for it for me. Search for it for me. Hwehwɛ mommy. Hwehwɛ mommy. And that is what? Search for it for me. So when we say hwehwɛ, that means what? To search. To search. Hwɛ, to look. Hwehwɛ, to search for something. hwehwɛ ma me. Search for it for me. Where is it? I can't find it. No. Hwehwɛ. Hwehwɛ. Search for it. Hwehwɛ. Search for it. So what have we learned? We have learned to see, hunu, to take notice or to know, hwɛ, to look, and hwehwɛ, to search. Thanks for listening, and like I always plead with you, give this lesson a thumbs up for me to know that you like it, or subscribe to it if you have not yet subscribed, and please suggest it to anyone who wants to learn Twi. Thanks for watching.